Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today topic is branches. Guys, last few days I will tell the what is Git topics. These are all topics all is covered in what is Git, purpose of the Git basics, Git briefly, how to create the branches, how to install and Bitbuckets on GitHub, uh, how to clone the one repository, how to local to remote repositories, how to create the folders, how to create the files, how to switch to one branch to another branch. These are all topics are few days I will discuss, guys. Please go through that videos. Please my YouTube channel Tulsi Creatives, Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Okay. Please watch it, guys. First of all, please go and watch it, then after you can come on. Today topic is branching. This is a most very important, guys. Today topic is branching. These are all topics. What is topics? What is Git branch? Why will use branches? How to create branches in local mission? How to list of all branches, how to switch to one branch to another branch, how to push the code into new branch to remote server, how to move to branch, how to delete branches in local, how to delete in branches in local remote server, how to create branches in remote. These are all topics today discussed, guys. This once you can complete the topics, you can get the all answers in these questions. Okay, I will discuss in all questions, you get the answers. Okay, you can move to topic. First of all, what is Git branch? Okay, what is Git branch? Git branch is simply copy to one branch to another branch. Okay, what is Git branch? Simply saying copy to one branch to another branch. Okay, can briefly I will explain it. What is Git branch? Git branch is a essentially an independent line of development. Okay, Git branch is a essentially an independent line of development. You can take advantages of branching when working on few features or bug fixing and new fixing, any modification, any add the new code. You can use the your work from that other team members. Okay, see this. It is Git branch. Git branch is a copy the one branch to another branch. Git branch is essentially an independent line of development of the okay, sorry, line of independent. You can essentially an independent line of development. 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, somewhere is calling. Okay, Git branch is a essentially an independent line of development. You can take the advantages of branches. Then more clarification, I will show the one diagram also. Okay, what is Git? Why will use the Git branches? I will show this diagram. Okay, this is a master branch. Okay, this is a master branch. This is a dev branch. Okay, how to create it? I will show it definitely in practical. First of all, we are understanding the topics. This is a master branch, one master branch and one dev branch. First of all, one scenario, how why will using master branches. Okay, I have one project, then I have one project, then I am developing one developer work on master branch. Okay, some you can take the more tasks. You one have one project, you can take the all tasks also. You can divide the some part of the topics in you one developer you can take the testing also. On developing you can take the create the one packages. You can like the some issue fixings. Some other developer you can take this write the code also. Can take this some divided some works also. Okay, first one developer you can work on master branch. You can take the one file. Some another developer you can same project. Okay, same project dividing in team tasks. Okay, one developer one you can separate the one task. Another developer you can take the another task. You can work on number of developers. You can create the branches and divide the some tasks also. Okay, you understanding? One developer work on one file, another developer work on another file. Then I will use branches. First developer work on master branch, then can any write one code and also any code new can add the new code also. Any issues you can take this, any bug fixing, any new code adding, any issues, any new features, you can add this one branch to another branch. You can merge the one branch to another branch. You can take the developer one, you can merge the another branch. Okay, first of all this developer work in master branch. You can come the manager also. You can go to the another branch. You can move the all. You can move the all code, all files also. You can move the another branch. Saying once you can use this git merge branch to one branch to another branch. Another branch. Okay, you can merging this branch also, that branch you can merging also. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, merging, checking and merging all codes. This working on master branch one, all files also. You can merge the another branch. You can record the branch to one branch to another branch. You can usage and this all new any features, any bug fixing, any code issues. You can go to the another branch. You can solve the issues and come to this branch. You can all explain it. I will do something. Definitely I will show it in practically how to create the branches, how to move to one branch to another branch, how to check out the branch. These files also you can move the another branch. That files also you can push the repositories. You can tell the all. I will show it in practically. Okay, understanding guys? What is branches? How to use in branches? Okay. Then move to create the branches. First of all, open my Bitbucket dashboard, then go to my project folder. Also in local I will store the some path also. Where is my folder? Yes, this is it. Bitbucket dashboard open. Okay, can open the git bash also. First of all, check it. I will show the create one new repository. Okay, your understanding. Create the please observe guys how to create the repository. I will already tell them. Please go through the videos. Branching. Repository name is branching. Check the public repository, create the repository. First of all, clone the repository. Yes, cloning. By default branch, what is this branch? Master branch. Okay, first of all check is any files or folders ltr is a 0. This is no empty repository. This is a empty repository. First of all create the one file. Touch file name is first dot txt. Create one file. Write the something. Display the all content of using cat command. This is the first branch. Okay, you can check the git log online. List of the your current branch is master does not have a committed. Okay, any committed. First of all, you can commit this branch. You can commit this file. Okay, git add. First of all check the status, git status. You see untracked files, git add, git commit message is branching, then git log one line. Okay, this is a master branch. Okay, git push. Store the Bitbucket repository. see this how many branches, what you can file, you can push it, you can show it the all of this file. See this, only one branch, master branch is display. Okay, then one file is can push it the one file. First file name is first. You can content also, you can see this. This is my first branch. Yes, this is my first branch. Okay, and go to the local repository git bash. First of all, how to check the branches? Git branch list. See, only one branch. Okay guys, carefully observe it. How to create the branches? Git branch name is dev branch. Okay, git branch dev. You can check it the git branch list. Git branch hyphen list. You can display the all local branches. Okay, you can display remote branches also. Git branch you can display the all local or remote branches. Okay, then how to check out the master branch to dev branch? Git remember guys, commands also. How git checkout dev. Can switch to the dev branch. See this is a dev branch. Once you can see the ls-ltr how many files are new folders. See, only switch to master branch to dev branch. You can only one file also. You can first file. Then create another file also. Touch create another file also. Write the some content. Okay. Once again check it. ls-ltr -e. See this. This is a first branch. This is a second. Sorry, this is a first file. This is a second file. You can check out the once you can show it on master branch. You can nothing to only display single file also. Okay. Once I will show it. Get checkout branch. Check first of all you can add the commit and you can see this place git checkout. This is a master branch is a default branch that any creating new files or any create the folders you can directly you can display it. Also you can check out in dev branch. Git you can check it git status untracked files git add git commit then go to the master branch, git checkout, see this only single file also display. How to merge the that branch to dev branch to master branch? See, display the only single first.exe. You can check out the git checkout dev branch. Go to the dev branch, git checkout dev branch, then check it. This is a two files, first file also and second file also. Once you can merge it, dev to merge, then check out the master branch, git checkout. How can you merge it? Check it the ls. See this? Can merging to dev to master. You can display the all commit. Check it, git log -" one line. See, first file, second. Can only two commits are available. Can okay guys, you can understanding how to create the branches, how to check out the one branch to another branch, how to create the file, how to merge the one branch to another branch. Okay, understand it. Then how to push the remote repository. First of all, check the remote repository. See, only one branching available, one branches unavailable, only master branch. See, only master branch is available. Then how to push the dev branch also. You can how to push the remote repository in dev branch. Go to the git checkout. This command, remember it guys, command git push can push the remote repository. Yes, check this remote repository. Once refresh it, you can check the see master branch and dev branch. See this? This is a two files also display in dev branch. Under master branch can display the only one file. Then once you can switch to master branch, check it the git status. What will be using how to push the second file also. You can add commit push. Use these commands. You can display the master under master branch. You can display the second file also. Git status. Nothing to run. Git files are pushed. Okay, next, how to delete the branches. First of all, check git branches, git branch. How to delete a branch? Branch branch name. What is branch name? Dev branch. Okay, deleted branch. Once again check it. Only single branch. Then check the remote repository also. Deleting or not. You can display two branches. They are not deleted. Then how to delete the remote branches also? Git branch. Git push. Okay, then deleted remote branches. Won't show it. See, only display in master branch. Okay guys, understanding how to delete it, how to creating. These are all, you can get the answers in all questions. I understanding. See, what is branches? What is branches? Git branch is essentially an independent line of development of, you can take the advantages of codes. Why will use branches? This branch, why will use branches? You can use in new fixing and bug fixing, any new code also, any issues, any future branches. You can hard fix and you can take the one branch to another branch. How to create the branches in local machine? Guys, tell me how to create the local branch. How to create the branches in local machine? Git branch name. Okay. Then how to list of all branches? Tell me guys. Git and how to switch to one branch to another branch? Git check out then how to push the code into new branch in remote server. Git and something origin and branch name. How to move to one branch to another branch? Git all code of how to merge. Git merge then how to delete locally? Git branch and the branch name. Okay, how to delete in remote server? Git branch, git push origin name. Then how to delete remote? Okay, it's done. How to create branches in remote? Only one question is pending. Then go to my remote server. Once refresh it. You go to the branches. Then go to create branch. Branch name is dev branch. Then create, created two branches. See, I'm master and dev. Then go to the local machine. First of all, check git branch list. See, only single branch. How to how to get the remote branch to local? How to get the remote to local branches? Use this command. Remember it. Very important. Git fetch command using git. I already tell it what is fetch, what is pull, what is git installation. I have already told you. Using git fetch command. Once you can fetch it, once check it. Git branch icon list. Okay. Branch icon here. Then you can display the all branches. Fetch. Sorry, 1 minute. I will explain it. Once you can retrieve it all branches, use this command git pull already uploaded. Okay. Branch. Okay guys, came already right, but I will forget this. Don't show it. Git fetch command is using git fetch. In the check it the git branch. Branch. Use this command git branch icon list. On branch git branch icon here. Then came it how to check out the branch git check out the branch. Then you can check out this. Check it git branch icon list. See, can fetch to remote branches on master and dev and dev and master. You can both of you can fetch the remote to and local. I want to requirement and work on few dev branch. You can fetch it. You can work this. You can check out the dev branch. Then same. You can create the files and any modification files, any changes, any fixing. You can check out the one branch to another branch. Okay guys, you can understanding the all questions. Okay, how to create remote branches, how to fetch it. Okay, I think I covered all topics. You understanding guys? think understanding all topics. Okay. Okay, this is I will share in all comments also. Okay, today covered in. Check out the master. Yes. Yes. Today, this is all comments. I covered it. I will share it definitely in description. Any interested, you can drop the mail. I will share it definitely. Hey guys, I definitely share it in these documents in description. Please go through. And tomorrow discuss topic is what is merge conflict, what is repairs. Tomorrow I will definitely very important topics also tomorrow. Okay, understanding guys. Please like and share and subscribe. Don't forget the bell icon. Okay guys, bye. Thank you.